In a previous video, we went over the steps of making a cauliflower soup base, which is really just demonstrating how to make a pureed soup base. Any number of different vegetables can be substituted out for the cauliflower, and we chilled it down. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually present the cauliflower soup, doing what's called a composed soup, where you plate the garnishes in the bowl or the serving vessel, and you pour table side. Now here I have two saute pans, and I like to heat up my soup to order. Once you chill it down, you want to heat up to order. Keeping it on a steam table is going to break down that flavor over a long period of time. So here I have in one pan, I'm going to deglaze with a little bit of white wine and reduce by half. And then I'm going to ladle in a couple of ladlefuls of my cauliflower soup, stir around with my trusty colorful whisk here, and bring this up to a simmer. Now in the opposite pan, I'm going to place some canola oil that's mixed with clarified butter over a very high heat. I'm going to sear some sliced cauliflower florets that have been sliced flat. That way they sear evenly on both sides. And caramelized cauliflower has a wonderful, smoky, almost sweet flavor to it, but you really have to give it a good hard sear. Now, once it's dark golden brown on both sides, go ahead and remove it from the pan and drain on paper towels. Now, once the cauliflower soup comes to a simmer, I like to mount to a little bit of butter, added flavor, added mouthfeel. You're going to go ahead and swirl that in and check it for seasoning. Now, when you're getting close to serving, here I just have a simple gravy boat. Any sort of serving vessel will do, and I'm filling it with hot water out of my coffee maker, but you can put in hot water from a tea kettle or even just from your faucet if it comes out hot enough, and that should keep the soup from going cold when it hits a cold vessel. Now here I have some mosh, and I'm going to plate the mosh in a set of 3. And a little plating tip is odds are always more beautiful than even. So I'm going to place the 3 pieces of cauliflower right on top. And I'm going to drizzle in a little bit of basil oil, which we have a separate video on that. I'll put a link in the show notes and at the end of this video. Going to garnish with a little bit of togarashi, which is a Japanese 7-spice, and just gives a nice little kick and contrast. And then also a couple of flower petals. And these are purple snapdragon flower petals, which I think give a nice floral hint to the soup. Now we have our composed plate up. I'm going to take that hot water, I'm going to pour it out of my soup container, pour in my boiling hot soup, and then it will be presented in front of the guests and poured tableside, pouring directly down into the center, allowing it to mix with the garnishes. For links to related videos, you can check out this episode's show notes at stellaculinary.com/TCD6. Or if you're watching us through the stellaculinary.com website or YouTube, you can click on the cauliflower soup base to be taken to that video immediately. You can also click on the how to make basil oil video to be taken there immediately. Or you can click here to watch our entire sauces and soups playlist, including stocks and all that good stuff. And also, as always, subscribe to stellaculinary.com on YouTube.